Welcome back, Shop Rats. Today we're back on the 88 Dodge pickup. It's been one of those days here in the shop where I have changed plans and changed course 3 times because of the weather, but we're still moving forward finally on something. So let's watch the intro. We'll see you in 5 seconds. I'm Mike.
This is My Cars Shop.
My original plan was to be working on painting the door jambs and the insides of the doors on this 86 D100, D150, whatever it is. Anyway, it's a D series truck. And well, I couldn't pull the Oakland out because it was raining. So I thought, well, I'll get a hold of my buddy John and we'll get these tires mounted on the 88 pickup. And then he's motocross racing today. So that didn't work. And well, then I was going to pull the Oakland out to do some other stuff. But again, it was raining. So but one thing I did get done that you guys will be really happy about is, as you see here, we have this hideous topper on the 88 the 88 W150, and that's been on there for a long time to protect some stuff that's been stored in the box. We're dealing with all of that now and moving that elsewhere and getting rid of trash and stuff like that. But we put it back over on the 2004 1500 series, my plow truck, where it belongs. And so that's good to have that over there. And this truck is one step closer to being ready. Plus, it just doesn't look nearly so ridiculous. So that's a good job done for today as well. I did get these tires in, got all the water dried out, and I'm ready to put them on the truck as well. Made an executive decision that I might change my mind tomorrow, but I think I'm going to go ahead and use the set of wheels that I have off my 91 right here on that 88 truck of Becky's. She looked at them. She likes them. They're a fair bit rusty on the inside, but it's a farm truck, so we're not too worried about it. It's just something we're going to use for hauling firewood and working around here on the homestead. So I've got 2 of these that are bare rims, and I have 2 of them that are still on the 91, so I'm going to need to figure out how to get those off of there. But that's okay. We can move forward now on getting some tires mounted, getting these tires on these rims, and getting them put on her truck. So that's also some good progress. The only other things that need to happen on this besides the cosmetic things would be getting the rear brakes fixed. It needs a wheel cylinder and some brake lines and shoes. I have all the parts, so that may be a project that we do unless I take it to somebody else and get it done. So we'll see what happens with that. I got to get the grill on it, and I promised Becky it would not be like calico like it is right now. I was working on this truck hot and heavy about 5 years ago, 6 years ago, something like that. I got all the metal put on it. I do have a different box for it on the 91, but I'm not going to get that done this year. It'll be fine the way it is. This cab corner was damaged really bad, and so I fixed all that and got the cab back up where it belongs, so it's not sitting so wonky anymore. But obviously it's got some weird trim on it that doesn't belong, and it's missing some trim that does belong, and we'll get it moved forward and get it in a little bit more the way it should be, so that she can enjoy using it. It also stinks really, really bad inside, so we need to get inside of there and do some de-smelling, because it smells like about,
10 years of mouse piss. It's pretty bad.
I do actually have a ton of spare parts for this truck. I have another whole truck, plus on this side of the barn, there's a whole bunch of D&W series truck parts up there as well. So we've got everything we should need to put it together. We did the fuel system on this truck. Oh, I put a pump in it quite a while ago now. This was one of the products that I was a product engineer on in the aftermarket when I worked for Walbro Corporation. So I happen to have some engineering samples still kicking around legally. There wasn't anything that was, 5-finger discounted or anything like that. I have some stuff that was scratched and dent that was going to be scrapped that I was able to pull and with permission use for my own uses. And so I put a new pump in this, and I have some others kicking around as well. But so the fuel pump was replaced. The fuel lines were replaced. The engine still runs good. It's a TBI. It gets horrible gas mileage, but for what we're going to use it for, it's going to be fine. I did buy a new fender. This fender was new when I put it on. It doesn't look new anymore, so it's perfect. It fits with the perfectly crappy theme of this truck. I think our biggest challenge on this is going to be remembering where I put everything that goes on the front of this. I know I have the 91 grill, um, but I really like the 88 grill. That's the one I want to put back in there. And oh yeah, it's missing a bumper. I'm gonna find that too. It's around somewhere. We'll dig it up, I hope. The inside's just full of junk. Not too bad, but the mice have made a wonderful home out of it. So, oh, yellow jackets. Ooh, get away. So that's not good. And of course, our headliner, as I showed in a recent episode, is pretty bad. Or did I show that? I don't know. But I got all the trim in here and the decals and the emblems. And so the grill, it's around. We'll find it. And found a grill, and that's not the one. Huh. Oh, there's another one over on that side. I guess I better go over on that side and see if that's it. All right, let's take a climb upstairs and see what we got. Always taking your life in your hands coming up here, but it is what it is. A minute ago, oh, it helps if you turn the knob, but there it is, pretty sure. Yep, that's the one. Yep, that's the grill. That's the one I like. And it looks like we have one headlight bezel here. Okay, I found it. It was down there. So we got them both. So that's everything we need to put that on there. So we'll get that. It's just got a little bird crap on it. Oh, look, door panels. I wondered where those were. So the only thing I haven't found is the bumper. I think that bumper up there underneath that dart fender is the bumper. These are the old doors off the truck. It was in good shape, you see that? How nice it was? And that's the grill for the 91 there. I think that's an extra splash apron. So good, we found the bumper. It's up there, and you can see these doors still have the parts on that I need to take off. But I'm pretty sure that bumper right there is the one off the 88. This truck was wrecked, so it looks like the bumper, maybe I didn't get a bumper with it. It looks like it was unbolted, and I didn't do that for sure. So I'm pretty sure the one in the back there's the one. This truck's got some good nice mirrors on it too, so we'll have to pull those off. There's the other two wheels that I need for the 88, so we'll be using those. There's one on the other side also. I forgot I have a brand new tailgate for this upstairs also. So that's good. We have parts. As I said, it's actually been a super busy day here in the shop, and this channel really is about spending day with me here in the shop, but it's been super busy with me spinning my wheels, and not in a good way. But we're going to get that truck on the road here in the next few weeks, I hope. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you posted. I'll give you updates, and as usual, thanks for watching. If you hasn't subbed, please do that. Spread the word about the channel. We have a lot going on with all the projects. We're hip deep again in the 26 Oakland, repairing radiators and water pumps. I will be back on this thing soon, I promise. We've made great strides on the Challenger, but it is spring, and we're going to be focusing more on, like the 47 Ford, getting that grill painted, getting that put on the car so we can start moving forward to get that car on the road. Scoops, of course. The GTS will be back once this is gone. So there's just a lot going on. That's what I'm trying to say. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Stick around. And oh yeah, don't forget, rock!